guys, I don't introduce. Welcome back to
the channel.
Yeah, the channel. Let's use the channel today. Yeah, so today we're just going out and about. Yeah.
Yeah, so we came to Nigerian Embassy. They came to do something.
Yeah.
And they stay with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
thanks for introducing that. So yeah, we came to do something. We just came out today. I think I mentioned that in the previous vlog. I hope you guys have watched that one. So yeah, we're just going out to get some things we need to do before finishing up for today. So yeah, this is where we are.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that
I didn't add you before. ID. So we're just taking a stroll. Right? Today's weather is so nice. It's really nice. It's sunny and cool, not so cold. Hey baby, why do you look so exhausted? Oh, this is the 7-Eleven we're looking for. Look at her YouTuber. Hey.
hello.
So guys, Tokyo is actually giving me the summer vibe. Like it's so sunny and really hot. I don't know, I really can't wait for the real summer to be here when everywhere becomes so everywhere becomes really cool. I'm just waiting for then. So now I'm just waiting for D to be done with the documents he actually went in there to do. And afterward, I guess we're going to eat lunch and then go home while we wait for them to process it and we'll come back for it. Yeah, and yeah, just enjoy. We got some stuffs. We got some stuffs from 7-Eleven. This is how the one eating this one?
Yes.
Ew.
No spoon. She said ew.
Did you get drink? We didn't get drink again. Oh no. We got some
go
stuff.
to office.
Yeah. You can see from 7-Eleven. I think this is the one I'm eating. Coleslaw and this. What about you, Princess? What can I get?
I'm eating something.
What are you doing now, D? So yes, and our cameraman D, thank you.
This is for you.
Hey, what did you get? Let me see the kind of coleslaw you got.
I got crab coleslaw.
Okay.
So it's mixed with crab.
If it's like Princess, it's like Princess is on a diet too, like vegetarian. See everything she bought.
You want to eat?
I'll eat. See everything she bought.
This is change spoon. Use spoon.
Abio.
Am I shooting it the way that is wrong?
You are trying. Use the chopsticks. Eh. Eh. Oh my god. Who is missing? Thank God you know your husband. Our husband doesn't want to show his face. One day we'll do face review. You get like 100k views for that. Meet my husband. Okay, let's just eat. Then they will know that that's like his personality.
When that is super high for YouTube, so that is even a plus.
Sometimes it has to be like calm down. You understand now?
How do you want to blow if one person is just
Everybody is just.
Come and do like me. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Don't come and do. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to.
not like
You they cut grass? Not be this one.
Now you know, that's why
Not be so I they do man.
That's so.
You they cut grass. Me I they dance. Me not like this. You they.
If I hear.
Oh my God, the two of you are doing opposite. Oh my Jesus.
It's not opposite. But to me, it makes sense.
Like, I swear, if you are with us, you know how many intro that I've actually cut out because of him.
You don't know how many people that will be begging, as in people will be looking for.
You'll be waiting for Daudu's part.
His jokes, hey, even inside his house, he will just be doing something. I'll say, if really we had a camera in our house, and because the way people will be laughing.
Later.
Feeling sleepy.
A door of onsen.
We're going to get some Nigerian food stuff to take home. Yeah. She's going to show us the place she buys at. So that's where we're going to now.
They put so much of love.
Are we getting close?
They get to survive any other area. No. We haven't done the schooling, so we don't know. Once you do their schooling, they make like.
It's tough something similar to this one over here.
From Japanese
Something like that.
My other friends, they were having from their country.
Anyway, when I get there, I'll show you guys what the
Right.
store looks like. Anyway.
So I am more sensitive than them.
Guys, we're finally back home. That store wasn't really as big as I was imagining it to be anyway, but it's cool. We got some stuff that I wanted, but I couldn't get my goldie more. That was what I really wanted. I couldn't get it. So yeah, I'll just have to order from the previous place I used to buy. But it was so cool getting to know other places I can buy things from. So yeah, basically just going to chill and find something to eat and just relax. I'm feeling sleepy. So tired.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, continuation of the vlog of yesterday. So guys, welcome back. Yeah, so today we're not really doing much today. I just want to cook and then make my hair. So I'm going to take you guys along with what we're going to be doing today and everything. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, so just stay tuned and enjoy the day with us. Yeah, it's just me and Princess today. We've cut D out of the equation because he's not around. He has gone out. So yeah, we're just going to make rice and make my hair. I'm looking forward to braiding. Like, it's been a while. Let me see how I'm going to look like. Hope it will be fine, Sha. Come on, put your head. Come and say something. Hope it will be nice, Sha.
I pray so.
Just finished washing my hair actually. Can you see? And I'm just waiting for it to get dry. And yeah, I'll go and make my hair and look different.
Thank you.
Like you. Anyway, let me go to the kitchen now. Come with me.
Yeah, just give me your heart in return, no. No be your money, I want some my lava. No worry for me, I go so. Yeah, yeah. Come on, quench this fire, desperado. Let me feel inside my commando. Yeah, yeah. Dance for you, my baby. Dance for you, my baby.
Wow, so the cooking is going on. Boiling the liver. And of course, the meat. Check it out. That is it. I don't know when we're going to start making the hair yet, and
then we'll start making the hair. See you. I would not just once I say she's a food. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is D and P.
she said D and P. Yeah. Where my name dey? Na D and P.
Mr. D, Mrs. D. Mr. D, that's Daoud.
You know, serious.
D, that's Esther. So D and P.
Okay, now.
Yeah. So my babe is about to prepare fried rice for us.
Na fight.
Fried rice. Yes, na fight.
So yeah, that's that about cooking. I don't know when we're going to start making the hair yet. She actually told me this. Let's start early. She woke up as early as like 6 o'clock to pick the attachments and everything. But me, I was just thinking like, don't worry, we have time. We're leaving tomorrow. So now I don't know, but hopefully we might do it to like really late in the night probably, because after cooking that's when we intend on starting the hair. And now it's like past 1. Yeah, it's past 1 now, and we have not started. We're still in the cooking phase and cooking process, so I don't know when the hair is going to finish today. No idea. But we'll do it anyway. Yeah, so that's the update. We're currently watching YouTube video. Show you guys who we're watching. So we're currently watching IJ's Corner. She's giving us juicy and important information about marriage. She's been married for 21 years, guys. That's a really long time, happily married. So yeah, she's giving us some juicy information. That's what we're currently watching. Yeah. People helping out. Arigato.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go.
You can see children cleaning the grounds. I spotted this from the time. Whilst girls wash the fence,
we're on a
these
break.
guys take care of the grounds.
Cheers.
Clean as it is. They just wipe air.
Hi guys, good morning. So yeah, yesterday, like I said, that I might not be able to finish the hair, and I was right. We couldn't finish the hair yesterday, but we're continuing this morning, and we've actually gone so far. I think it's just this one and this one left, and I think a little one at the back that is left. So we should be able to finish it up today, I guess, hopefully. So we're about to start now. I just said, let me begin today's vlog again. I'm letting you guys know what's up. I've had breakfast, and it's just to make my hair now. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, if you ever move on without me, I need to make sure you know.
Hi guys, so we're on lunch break. We've paused again. I want to eat, but we've gotten this far, and so far I'm really loving the hair. It's really nice. I love it. So we're on break now, and I'm eating Gary and granite. So nice. Let me show you guys. It's been a while I've had this. So yeah, Gary and Granite, you can join me.
3 days later.
You're big. Yes. Say it out loud.
Because I'm big in my mind.
We are done. Finally done. Why is your face not showing? Jesus.
See my face a little bit.
So guys, this is the finishing part. We're done adding hot water to it and trimming everything. It's so beautiful. I like it. So nice. She did a very great job. Thank you. Yeah, so we're going back today, and that's all for this video. Come and say goodbye with me.
It's my
Yeah, that's all for this video.
No, go to find place.
Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.